In this video, you will learn how to send your Harmony-1 tokens from Metamask to Binance. My name is Kieran and you're watching The Decentralized Lifestyle. If you want early access to my trades, airdrop hunting, market signal alerts, and small cap gems, then I highly recommend that you join the DeFi Academy. We've got a Halloween deal going on that gets you 40% discount. This offer is only available from the 29th of October to the 31st of October with 20 spots available. So first come, first serve. All right, so if you've been exploring the Harmony-1 ecosystem, you might have noticed it is quite finicky to send Harmony-1 tokens to Binance. So you've got your Harmony-1 wallet. And as you can see here, you've got this Ethereum type of address. So what you want to do is you log into Binance and then you search for Harmony-1 and you click on deposit. So you have to select the Harmony-1 network and you will receive this address. Now the thing is, if you actually take this address here and you try and send some one tokens to this address, it will not work because Metamask only accepts the ETH type of address. So what you want to do is you've got this address here copied and you go over to explore.harmony1 and then you're going to paste that in this little input box and you see the address here, which is 1, and you want to receive the ETH version of this address. So you click on the 3 lines on the top right hand side of your screen and then you choose address style ETH instead of Harmony. So click here on ETH. And this is actually the ETH representation of that Harmony-1 address that you just used. So what you want to do is you want to copy this here and you want to send your Harmony-1 tokens to this address here. If you're not really sure if it's going to work, I highly recommend that you do a test transaction first. But you can see this is the Binance gateway. So copy this here, go to your MetaMask wallet and then click on send. And then here you're going to paste this address and you're going to type in the amount of one tokens that you'd like to send, do 100 and then click on next and then click on confirm. Do a test transaction to be sure that everything's working before you send large amounts of money, but this should go through rather fast. So if I go onto my deposits, I did this before I started recording this video, and as you can see here, 101 tokens completed. So yeah, that's how you easily send some Harmony-1 tokens from Metamask to Binance. Make sure you sign up to the DeFi Academy in a link below to get information about the Halloween special. I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.